Hi, so in this video I'm going to show how I made this uh, brush stand from empty Teflon tape rolls. It'll probably fit like 3-4 brushes. First take these empty Teflon tape rolls, and on the bottom one, because you don't want the brush to go fall off like this, I pasted a plastic cover here. This is a piece of plastic cover. I used a soldering machine for this. You can use glue, I think, if you are making this. And on the bottom one, I also made a hole here, and I'm going to put the screw in that. So I'm going to put the screw in this, and I'll stick all of them together with double-sided tape. So I've cut some pieces of the tape here. First I'll put this on the door frame, and then I'll attach the whole thing together. So there's holes here already for some reason. I'm just using one of these holes, this one, to put the stand in. And there goes my brushes.